Ladies, are you in the market for a bright, youthful, fruity, and floral fragrance? Look no further than Mayar White by Lattafa. Stunning fragrance. I love the bottle. You'll see in the opening as well. Comes in a beautiful cylinder. And then, of course, the spray is just going to cover everywhere you need to be covered. So the scent, this fragrance is elegant but playful. That opens in beautiful lychee and raspberry and closes with a vanilla, amber, and musk fragrance. Beautiful, soft as a lady. Now, this fragrance is a dupe for Parfums de Marly's Delina at the fraction of a price. So you can have this and a smell for much, much lower. Is Mayar White a make or break fragrance? Beautiful make fragrance, and I'll rate it a beautiful 7 out of 10. Projection, very strong. Smell, great. And of course, longevity, easy, 7 hours. Beautiful, stunning fragrance, and I promise you, ladies, you will not be disappointed. So please follow me for more great dupe reviews.